Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to actually meeting Barney. So you guys remember Barney? Look, Barney, what are you doing? Sorry, I can't actually show my face right now because I don't actually want to. But look, he's so cute. Don't he look like he's grown? He's taking training. Look, everyone there. Hey Barney, you need to wear a leash. Yesterday I got hurt here and then I sat on my scooter and that Barney was wagging his tail on my face. Barney, everybody can tell you if you that to be a good boy. Come here.
Barney, no.
Everybody likes Barney. Look, he runs. Look, they're gonna throw that and he's gonna run. Look, let's run behind him. Okay, there are wires over here, so I have to be careful.
Barney.
Let's zoom into Barney. Why don't we try to zoom in? Barney, let's zoom in. Barney, we're zooming into you. He's so cute. Oh, look how fast he runs. He runs super fast. Let's zoom into Barney again. Let's zoom into his face. Hey Barney, we want to zoom into your face. Okay, I don't know if you can see better. He is looking. Did you like zooming into Barney's face? Barney, we're gonna throw it for you. Let's see. He's gonna run. Okay, this is so much fun. Somebody has to take care of Barney because he's a very big and he didn't train yet.
Barney.
He saw something.
Barney.
What did he see? A lizard or a gecko? He saw a mosquito. Look, there is a mosquito or like a butterfly or something. Oh no, Barney, don't eat that. Don't eat it. Look, there's like a red bee. It's so giant. Look, I can zoom in my camera. Look, it's a giant bee. A bee. I'm so scared of bees. We have to run away, otherwise we have to take Barney away. Let's go see. Look, here's a place. There's the water tank up. The staircase leads to the water tank. A B block is on the other side. There's the other water tank from B block. Look, you can zoom in and see B block's water tank. I don't know, you can actually see. Maybe I zoomed in too much. Back to normal. Let's go see what my mother is doing. I here pre-presented to see my mother. Look, let's zoom in. My mother. Look, there's my mother. She's wearing a mask. She's meeting with somebody who's not wearing a mask. Don't worry. She has a mask, but Barney will chew it eventually. So, no worrying when Barney is gonna just chew and it make no sense of the mask. Oh look, Barney's right there. Let's go zoom into Barney. Let's go ask him some questions. What about the Q&A on Barney? What? Hey guys, click the subscribe button and like to this video. Subscribe to my channel if you want Barney to be a part of my channel, because I have no group. I have no people in my channel that would like to be with me. Let's see if Barney wants to be in my channel. Help out somebody. Let's see that Barney likes to help out first of all. Whoa! Barney, will you help out?
Barnie is doing potty.
Ew! Barney is doing potty. Look,
Let him go.
he's doing. I think. Has been so long until he's done his poop. I didn't see him do poop for so long. Oh no! Did he? I felt like he's just gonna eat his poop.
No, he was only sniffing.
Look, somebody's picking up that silly poop. This reminds me of Silk. He ran away so fast. Ew, look, we have to throw that away. Throw that away here. Let's see. No, Barney, no. I just didn't want him to chew the phone away because this is my mother's smartphone. Look, they look so close, but they're actually far. Let me show you. They're actually far. Look, I just zoomed in so you guys could have a clear look. Oh, sorry, my hand. I hope that was okay. So that's it for today's video. Let's see what Barney will say on today's video. Oh no, the phone's only 2. Oh no, oh no. Barney! Okay, what is it? Oh my goodness, he's so big. Okay, ew, that is his butt. Barney, say bye. 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 Remember to subscribe to the channel. Bye. Remember to subscribe. Subscribe. Everybody loves Barney. Why Barney? Barney. Aren't I supposed to pet you? Barney, let me pet before we go. Okay, bye guys. I'll put this video on my YouTube. Bye. Barney is just running away. Bye.